Hi everyone, this is Mr. Nook. Today I will show you an interesting functionality within your Google search. So you can search in various GPT tools like ChatGPT, Plex, Cloud, all from your browser. You don't have to go inside the website and put the prompt. You can just say Plex. So for example, this is Plex. How do I make pasta? Or I can say, how do I migrate to Germany? I want to search this information. So now you see this search Plex option here available. So this is not available by default in Google or any other browsers. So now if I search Plex and hit enter, it will directly go to perplexity.ai and it will search for this information and it will provide me with the input. So you see this, how do I migrate to Germany? So it just gave me step-by-step information about it, and it's also giving me related information about it. So I'll show you how exactly you can do this. So for this, you have to go to settings of Chrome. So you can go to settings. Then within search engine, you have to come here called site search. In site search, you can add. So you can come here and add. So I'll show you which is already added. So you see Gemini, Plex. So Plex is the one that I added. So you can give any name here. That will be the name that will be used to invoke that command. That is Plex. @Plex is the command invocation. So now you can give any name here. This is just for your identification. Now there is various URL with %s in place of the query. So this will be replaced by whatever you are searching for. So for other website, I will show you how you can get the %s URL. So I'll put this in the description box. So this is how it looks like. Ready to use shortcuts for different GPT tools like Perplexity, Cloud, GPT, that is ChatGPT, Hugging Face, U.com, Microsoft Copilot, Mistral AI, and various other tools. So this will definitely help you save some time, and it will help to search the internet faster using the ability to search in various GPT tools right from your web browser. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.